Is alcohol keto-friendly? Well, my friends, the answer is a bit more complicated than a simple yes or no. Let's break it down, shall we? Alcohol itself doesn't contain carbs, which is great news for you keto enthusiasts out there. But hold on to your horses, folks, there's a catch. You see, when you consume alcohol, your body prioritizes burning off those boozy calories before anything else. That means your fat-burning ketosis process gets put on hold. Talk about a party pooper. But fear not, my keto comrades. There are some alcoholic beverages that are more keto-friendly than others. Let's take a look at our top contenders. First up, we have spirits like vodka, gin, and tequila. These bad boys are low in carbs and can be mixed with sugar-free options like soda water. Just be careful not to go overboard, or you might end up dancing on the tables like nobody's business. Next on the list, we have wine. Red, white, or rosé. They all have varying carb counts, so make sure to do your research before popping that cork. And remember, moderation is key. We don't want you stumbling into keto danger zone now. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Lastly, we have beer. The beloved brewski. Unfortunately, most beers are loaded with carbs, so they're not exactly keto friendly. But hey, there are some low carb options out there if you're willing to search high and low. Just don't blame us if you end up with a beer belly instead of a six-pack. So my friends, the verdict is in. While alcohol isn't the best companion for your keto journey, you can still enjoy a drink or two if you choose wisely. Remember, always drink responsibly and know your limits. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining us on this keto alcohol adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay keto, stay fabulous, and cheers to a good time. Oh.